I've never been a flavored water type of guy, but let's see if Stur can go ahead and change my mind. So I got the variety pack. It's gonna come in 5 different flavors: fruit punch, blue and blackberry, pomegranate cranberry, tropical punch, and strawberry watermelon. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test and give you my honest opinion on which one I like, which ones I don't like, and also compare it to regular water. And also something special, which is gonna be fruit infused water. So the 2 questions I'm gonna answer is it better than water? And is it better than fruit infused water? So the first one I'm gonna go for is gonna be fruit punch. And I have high hopes for this because I am a fan of fruit punch. As far as the serving size goes, it's meant to be 1 squeeze, 1 second per 8 ounces. And this certainly isn't 8 ounces, so I'm gonna go ahead and do like half a squeeze or so, and also mix it up just to make sure everything's really in there. Oh, that dyed it really red. All right, now it's ready for a quick test. So I definitely can tell this is gonna be sweet. It's like a different type of sweet. It's not like a intense sugar sweet, and that's because this is gonna go ahead and have stevia. I like it. And this feels like this feels like what I would do to my fruit punch, because it's too sweet, so I always like to go ahead and water it down more, and that's what it's like. Do I like it? I do like this. Maybe if you want it a little bit sweeter, you'd add a little bit more. Maybe you would add like 2 squirts per 8 ounces, but I think this one's gonna be good for me. This is gonna be blue and blackberry flavor. Half a second of a squirt, or half a squirt. And there, that should be good. I put a lot less, and I put more in the other one, so I'm actually gonna make it fair and put a little bit more as well too. Yeah, that should be good. Now it's nice and tinted. And as far as color goes, I thought this was gonna be blue just because it said blue and blackberry, but it's gonna be very similar to the fruit punch, if not almost identical. So far out of these 2, I'm gonna prefer the fruit punch. I feel like I want a little bit more flavor in it, so I'd probably want more squirts in it. But nonetheless, let me go ahead and try the 3rd one, and this one's gonna be pomegranate and cranberry, my 2 least favorite fruits. So let's see how this goes. And squirt time. And once again, it's also gonna go ahead and be the same color, pinkish, a little bit lighter, but I think I didn't add enough, so I'll add a little bit more here. Here, you can see just a little bit. It's really hard to squeeze a little bit out. There, that's enough. Actually, not bad. I usually don't like pomegranate or cranberry especially, but this actually tastes pretty good. I still prefer the fruit punch, so I'm gonna say this one's gonna be 2nd place so far, but let's see if anything changes when I try tropical punch. Okay, so this is gonna probably be a really good contender to fruit punch. And once again, let's add some squirts. Oh, finally a different color this time. Okay, this kind of gives me like lemonade vibes. Oh yeah, especially when I go ahead and mix it up. Oh, exciting. It's finally a different color. Oh, it smells really nice. I taste like pineapple, maybe a little bit of mango. I like this. I like this. Now, I don't know if I like this or this more. I'm gonna go ahead and just I'm gonna give them both 1st place so far, but let's go ahead and try the last one, and this is gonna be strawberry watermelon. Very light, actually. This one might be, yeah, I think this one's, yeah, this is gonna be the lightest of them all. Smells sweeter than I would think. I don't know how to rate it. It's not my favorite, it's not my least favorite, but before I go ahead and give it a place, let me go ahead and just compare it to fruit infused water. So this is gonna be the easiest thing you could do, which is just put fruit in your water and drink it. In this case, I have this fruit infusion water bottle. So let's go ahead and see how strawberry and pineapple taste compared to all this. And this is miles light compared to all of these. So if I had to give it on flavor, this one would be at last place at this point, just because it doesn't have enough. It has like a hint. So if you want something very, very light and just something different than water, then fruit infusion would definitely be the way to go. But if you're looking for a lot more flavor in your water, so it's more like a juice, then any of these would definitely be a good option. But of course, now let me give you my rating. So I know that fruit punch and tropical punch are gonna be in the first place spot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it to the pomegranate and cranberry. Yeah, I figured. All right, so this is my rating so far. And now the toughest part is gonna be seeing who is first place. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it to tropical punch. Both of these punches, tropical and fruit, are really good, but I think tropical is gonna go ahead and win me over, and so this is gonna be my rating. Last place, we're gonna have blue and blackberry, followed by strawberry watermelon, pomegranate and cranberry. We're gonna have fruit punch and tropical punch. And now the one thing I wanted to go ahead and test out is to see if adding more of these squirts is gonna go ahead and make a difference. All right, now let's start from blue and blackberry. Okay. I feel like adding more didn't change much of the flavor. I mean, it made it a little bit darker, but it still tastes like before. So it's probably still gonna go ahead and be last place. And now let me try the strawberry watermelon. All right, this one definitely tastes sweeter. The stevia definitely goes ahead and makes a difference. And this one feels a little bit more pronounced, not sweeter, but I can taste a little bit more of the flavor. And now let me try fruit punch. It has like a stronger smell. A little bit sweeter, but not as sweet as when I added more of the strawberry watermelon. And now finally, tropical punch. It's a little bit sweeter, more pronounced, but adding more strawberry watermelon definitely makes a big difference in the sweetness flavor. So overall, I think my ratings are gonna go ahead and stand with adding more. So I guess more isn't best always. So if you like sweet things, then the strawberry watermelon is probably gonna be your go-to one. If you don't like sweet, then probably add a little bit less of this. Overall, first question that I answer is it better than the water infused water? I'm gonna say yes, 100%. It even looks a little bit cooler. I mean, look at this. We're gonna have like pink, red, yellow. So it looks like you're drinking a juice, but of course this is gonna be a healthier version because we're not consuming, tremendous amounts of calories. Actually, we're not technically consuming any calories. It has 0 calories. Now, is it better than regular water? It depends. For me, if I'm doing exercise, when I'm running, when I'm working out, I'm 100% gonna go ahead and choose just regular water because that's what I want. I'm thirsty for water. But when I'm eating a meal, I'm probably gonna go ahead and grab one of these fruit enhancers. Actually, probably not this one, but more towards this end over here. So yes, I think it's definitely a good replacement for water, like in your meals, because I always drink water, so I guess it's time for a change. And I would, again, try tropical punch or fruit punch with my meals now. But yeah, if you're looking for a liquid enhancer, definitely worth checking these out. And again, my favorite ones would be these 2 punches. But if you like stuff a little bit sweeter, then I definitely think the strawberry watermelon is gonna be your go-to water enhancer. But yeah, hopefully this helped you make a decision on if the fruit enhancer is worth it or not.